from fifth position. Arm will be one palm due in each direction, twice all the way around. So we're going to go 1, and fifth, side, and fifth, back, fifth, side, fifth. We're going to do that twice around. Does that make sense for everyone? 2 times all the way around and back. Then we're going to do jeté. Off the floor and in. Very good. Off the floor and in. Off the floor and in. And off the floor. Twice all the way around. Okay, here we go. Preparation. That was good, Catherine, on the pliés. And brushing front. Front, closing fifth. Side, closing back. Take your time. Stay on the floor. Yes. Stay on the floor. Don't leave the floor. I want to be able to see physically that you know the differentiation. Now brushing off. Brushing off. Good. Side. Not slow. Breathe. One more time. That's it. We want to have that. Forward. Good. Forward stretch. Coming up. Going back. And shoulders down. Susu. Excellent. Good. Nice length. I love the way you let go of the bar. Gently. Very good. Exactly. It was lovely, right? Showed me a lot of control. Very good. Yeah. We're going to work on a lot of different things in ballet class. Like, you're going to be asked to, show me your concentration and mental focus. You're going to be asked to move your body in certain ways that may not feel naturally comfortable, and you just have to dive in and allow yourself without any inhibitions to connect with the music. I may say something like make it a little softer, or I may say make it sharper. These are all the things that we're going to, like many, many, many different nuances to this art form we're going to develop. Let's try the other side. That was great.